today I'll show you how to do ventriloquism. And I'm buying a puppet, and it's going to be on the 17th, and today is the 15th. So 2 more days until I get my puppet, and I've been learning from a YouTube video. So if you want to, but there's 2 ways or 3 ways to bite down on your teeth and make you talk what your voice is talking, but it's your lips are not moving. So we can do this. Go really, really hard if you want to, because that'll be easier. My name is Easter Honey. What's yours? Sometimes you push your teeth in, and that's not. Look at that finger. I don't like this finger. It was soft. Okay. Got it off, but don't worry, it's still in there. See, bad. I did my nail polish bad, but and then here's the second way that's easier for me. Like, it looks like I'm in the front, but I'm biting the back. So, Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid, Donner and Vixen, but the only one I call was beautiful. Just kidding. I was just joking about that. That was just singing with my mouth not open. No. You're biting in the. See, it's not in the front. It's in the back. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. I love you so much, Christmas tree. I love you like a little sun in the middle. That's an easier way. Or, Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen, Comet and Cupid, and Donner and Vixen, but the only one you're gonna censor you. So it's like the intro. It's not touching it. See, okay, and then just one more forward. Christmas tree, I always wanted you, Christmas tree. This one's easier, and this one's easier too. I like those 3, but there's actually 4. Oh, Puppy King, look at that little Puppy King. Oh, Puppy King. Wait, I'm right under the. She's a big one. She's a big ventriloquism. Hey, look at the camera. Hey, sorry, guys. Look at her. She's cute, right? My other dog, she's big. She's big. She's 4. She's almost 5 years old, you guys. So, see you. And if you want to make a puppet, if you don't spend a lot of money. I got some tips for you. Do not spend a lot of money if you really want to. If you want to spend a lot of money and you're going to a talent show and you already know ventriloquism, you should bring that puppet if you buy it and it's coming on the same day at the same time, or it's supposed to go when you're about to leave at your house. So, or if you just want to not spend a lot of money, grab anything around the house, or if you bought something a long time ago that was a puppet. I have 2 puppets right now. I'm almost going to get 3. I did 4. See, I did 4. So I almost going to get 3 because on 2 days I'm going to get a puppet and I'm going to show you guys. See you soon. Bye. I hope you enjoyed my video. You subscribe, hit the notifications, and put a thumbs up. Bye. See you soon on the next episode in 2 days.